In this video, we will discuss about different types of data. So let's begin. First type is continuous data. This type of data can take any value within a range and is typically measured. Examples include length, weight, temperature, time, etc. Continuous data is often analyzed using statistical tools like histograms, scatter plots, and control charts. Second type of data is discrete data. Discrete data consists of distinct or separate values. Discrete data is always counted because there is no decimal point here. Examples include number of defects, the number of customers, etc. Number of customers cannot be like 5.5 or 6.5. They can be like 5, 8, 100 or any other number. That's why discrete data is always counted. Discrete data is analyzed using techniques such as Pareto charts and frequency distributions. Third type of data is ordinal data. Ordinal data represents categories with a ranking, but the intervals between the categories are not necessarily equal. Examples include customer satisfaction ratings like very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. Similarly, there is another example of educational level here: high school diploma, bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD, etc. Both of these examples shows a ranking system, and that's why we call it as ordinal data. Fourth type of data is nominal data. There is no ranking or no order exists in this type of data. For example, different types of defects like cracks. So there is no ranking or relation between cracks because they all are of different sizes. Similarly, there is another example: color, red, blue, green. So there is no relation or no ranking in the nominal data. Nominal data is analyzed using tools like pie charts and bar charts. Fifth type of data is time series data. In this data, we take observations at successive points in time. So time matters in this data, like data collected monthly or weekly or daily basis. For example, sales data collected monthly or weekly temperature readings, etc. So this is all about data that we encounter in measure phase of the Lean Six Sigma. Thanks for watching.